project. Changed some T111 sided. We got the same stuff too, didn't we? Pretty close. Our grooves are bigger. I think ours might be. Huh? That's what I got, right? See, I probably don't have to take these off. Just the window. I'm gonna start on that window, Paul.
You got enough food? You want some more? Huh?
I'm definitely gonna bring them back something.
I don't know what you do.
Don't worry about it. It's so rotten. I don't think you have to pull it right now.
You do that? Do it by itself.
What, Bob?
You do.
Taking that stuff off. 1/4 inch, huh, Paul?
Yeah.
1/4 inch. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. Huh? There's been some mice in there. Look at that.
Yeah, they got them holes in there.
Wow.
You don't bend this one.
God damn it. Every time you do it, you're moving it. You're coming out there now.
I'm good at now.
Your top's overlapping?
Yep.
That's what I don't want. What?
Good, right?
Yeah, good enough. Good enough. Alright, gotta find all these studs, get them nailed up there. We'll come back after lunch with a transition strip. Yep. Paul, left-handed Paul, doing what he does best.
Drinking Pepsi today.
Down there drinking Pepsi at 11:05.
Dying.
He's on break. It's a mere 60 degrees and he's falling out.
It's hot, sweat.
And sweat dripping off his nose. He's one hard-working dude. You like it?
No,